Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. My name is Shushmita Adhikari and I am a beginner student. Today I am going to explain reading material day 1 story. So without wasting any more time, let's start. This story is between a cat and a fox. Once they discussing about the nasty animals hounds, they asked each other how they saved themselves from the hounds. At first, the fox replied that he knew all many tricks. He knew many tricks to get away from hounds. The tricks of the fox were he can hide himself in the burrows, the thick bushes, and he can run along hedge. Then the fox wanted to know the then the fox wanted to know the tricks of the cat. The cat replied that she knew only one trick. Then they saw a flock of hounds approaching there. The fox tried his all tricks, but he failed. The hounds caught the catch the fox. On the other hand, the cat applied her only one trick, and only one trick. He climbed up a nearby tree and saved herself. The moral of the story is that it is better to be a master of one art than to be a jack of many arts. Remember Bruce Lee's words: I not fear the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kicks 10,000 times. That's it.
ওকে, চলো। সুস্মিতা, খুব ভালো বলেছো, তুমি খুব সুন্দর করে শেয়ার করেছো। এটা অন্তত আমি বুঝতে পারছি যে স্টোরিটা তুমি কতবার পড়েছো, অনেকবার পড়েছো, এবং তুমি প্র্যাকটিস ক্লাসেও প্র্যাকটিস করেছো এবং ঘরেও রিহার্সাল দিয়েছো, তবে তুমি বলছো। ঠিক আছে, খুবই ভালো হয়েছে।